Welcome back to Full Course Online. Today we're going to explore power options in Windows 11, especially for desktop PCs. Let's start with the main power settings. Open the Settings app from the Start menu. From the left panel, choose System. Now click on Power. Select Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate timeouts. On a laptop you'll see both battery and plugged-in options, but on a desktop you'll only see plugged-in settings. The first option controls when you want the display to turn off after inactivity. For example, you can set the display to turn off after 10 minutes. In the same way, you can set the time for sleep. If you don't want automatic sleep, you can choose Never. For most desktops, letting the screen turn off while keeping sleep between 30 and 60 minutes is a good balance. You can also enable hibernation by selecting a time. The next option is Energy Saver Mode. In Windows 11, Energy Saver Mode is designed to reduce power usage and extend battery life, mainly on laptops. On desktop PCs, you may not see it unless the hardware supports it. In the next section, you can set what the power and sleep button should do. Choose actions from the drop-down lists. There is also an energy recommendation setting at the top. Open it to see what settings Windows recommends for your system. Another way to configure advanced options is by opening the Start menu and searching for Power Plan. Click on Edit Power Plan. Here you can see the settings for turning off the screen and setting sleep timers. By default, both may be set to Never. Now let's change some advanced settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. You'll see three main plans: Balanced, High Performance, and Power Saver. Balanced is the default. Power Saver reduces performance but saves electricity. High Performance keeps the computer running at full power. In this window, you can adjust settings for the hard drive, display, and sleep. Click on Power Options in the address bar. Here, you can also create new plans or customize existing ones. Click Create a Power Plan. Pick a base such as Balanced or High Performance, give it a name, and adjust your display and sleep times. Once created, you can fine-tune it further by opening Advanced Power Settings. Now we have two power plans. To delete a power plan, click Change Plan Settings, and then select Delete this plan. That's it for this tutorial on power options in Windows 11. You've learned how to control screen timeouts, sleep, hibernate, energy saver mode, and custom power plans. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Full Course Online for more Windows guides.